So what I'm doing today is I'm reattaching this seatbelt mechanism, which I took out of my van, because I took the seats out of my van. So basically there's 3 anchor points. This one here, and then this is where the real bit goes, in here, and then this one up the top. This bit goes behind here. It's got this little slot that holds it in place. I don't know if you can see that. Like that. Excuse the sounds of the forklift. And then again, do this bit by hand to start with. So once that's hand tight, I'm using a 17mm wrench to just tighten it up. As tight as I can. There's probably correct torque settings for this, but that feels good. So now that the reel's in place, I've got to put this trim piece in, which covers it all up. And to do that, I've got to basically thread the seat belt through, as if it was coming out. It means getting all these bits through it. And then this last bit here, this actually clips into place. It's quite tough to get it to clip in. It does clip in. Trim things go in to the holes. Start here. This one down the bottom. That's a bit tougher because the hole doesn't quite line up. Okay, now those are all in. I've got to take this loop bit and attach it up top. So this bolt is what you call a star bolt, and this is a 10mm star bolt. So I'm going to attach that now. So basically this goes in this loop bit, which is the top of the seat belt, and we're going to screw this in. Do it by hand first to get it going. Do it one-handed. Then we'll use this socket thing to push it up. One more turn to do it tight. So this is the final piece in the puzzle, and I don't know if you can see, but I've actually got a big washer. And normally when you put in a bolt in something, you put the washer in front of it, but because this has to move a bit, like this, we're putting the washer behind it, and then bolt through like that. There's actually a bit of space on that bolt for this to pivot around it. So that goes in again do it hand tight to start with, and again I'm just using a 17mm wrench to tighten things up, using the hooped end because it's just a bit easier to get on and off quickly. And now you should be able to see okay, and now I've got my seats back in and I'm going to put my seatbelt on.